So next problem, fourth one. Here see, a ship can cover a certain distance in 10 hours at a speed of 16 nautical miles per hour. How much should its speed increase so that it so take only 8 hours to cover same distance? Here see, next question. You know, nautical mile means that is the distance between bank, river bank and sea bank and sea. That is a nautical mile. For example, see, this is our Chirala bank. Bank means Woddu. See, this is Chirala beach bank. So now this one here sea water. These are all sea water. So here to here, see distance how much here? 1 kilometer, 850 meters is 1 nautical mile. 1 nautical nautical mile. So 1 kilometer, exactly 1 kilometer 852 meters is 1 nautical mile. Our Indian nautical mile means total 12 nautical miles. Why 12 nautical miles? For example, this is our Chirala beach. Now here see, these are all one sea water. These are all one sea water. So these sea water, so these are all water we are using our country. No, so only now here to here 12 nautical miles. So these 12 nauticals between any incident, that is issue of the India. So after 12 nautical miles, after any issues rising, that is India issue not. So every country has some nautical miles. That means I say in Telugu, ఒక ఒడ్డు నుంచి 12 nauticals సముద్రం 12 nauticals మైల్ వరకే మన ఇండియా వాళ్ళు యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి సముద్రాన్ని. ఆ 12 nauticals మైల్ తర్వాత మనం యూజ్ చేసుకోవటానికి ఉండదు. సో సముద్రానికి కూడా బోర్డర్ అంటే మన ఇండియా నుంచి 12 nauticals అంటే 12, 6, 18 నియర్లీ 20 కిలోమీటర్స్. 20 కిలోమీటర్స్ వరకే మనం యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. అంటే ఈ మధ్యలో ఏం జరిగినా ఎనీథింగ్. సో దట్ ఈజ్ ఇండియన్ ఇష్యూ అయింది. ఆఫ్టర్ ఎనీ ఇష్యూ దట్ ఈజ్ నాట్ అవర్ కంట్రీ మ్యాటర్. సో దట్ ఈజ్ ఎ నాటికల్ మైల్. See, 1 nautical mile means 1 kilometer 852 meters. Now here see, they are asking one ship cover a certain distance 10 hours, speed 60 nautical miles per hour. Here see, 10 hours a ship traveling. So 1 hour 16 nautical miles is traveling. Now totally how many nautical miles this one traveling? The ship 160. Here next one. That same ship speed increasing. Speed increasing only 10 hours this one traveling. So 1 hour how many nautical miles this one moving. So 1 hour this ship moving 10 hours, 1 hour 16 kilometers. So totally 160 kilometers. Now another ship 8 hours only traveling. So these how many kilometers traveling? 160. So 1 hour how many kilometers? 20 nautical miles. So see, fifth one, a sheep covered distance cover travel time 10 hours. So 1 hour travel ship. How many nautical miles? 16 nautical miles. So a ship only 1 hour travel 16 nautical miles, totally 10 hours, that is moving. Next one, after speed increase, a ship travel time 8 hours. Let 8 hours. Let 1 hour travel ship. Y. Here see, 10 cross out to x, 16. X quantity, y quantity equal to, here x quantity, y quantity not given. So 8 moving this side, 10 by 10 cross out 16 by 8 equal to y. 8 1 jar, 8 2 jar, 20 kilometers per hour. But they are asking, here see, it take only 8 hours cover the same distance. How much it speed increase that? Here asking, how here speed increasing, how many extra nautical miles these one moving? How much speed increasing for hour? See, increase speed per hour, increase speed hour, how much? Now here see, final speed minus initial speed. So final speed how much general? Total, see, final speed 20 kilometers. Starting speed how many kilometers per hour? 60. 20 minus 4, 16. 4 nautical miles. So increase speed per hour 4 nautical miles. Increase speed just 4 nautical miles. Sixth one, as still sixth one's like a example problem. Here see, 5 pumps are required to fill a tank 1.5 hours. How many pumps of the same type of tank use of an hour? Sixth one, so I say 8, totally here 11 problems. I said are 8 or 9, remaining problems are homework. Sixth one, here see, asked you, this is a one water tank, this is a one pipe, so totally 5 pipes we are using. So these tank filled with time 1.5 hour. Now as is this length of the tank, see here only half an hour taken. These tank filled with water. So how many pipes we are using? So here pipes are increasing or decreasing. So here see 5 pipes 1.5 hour. Only half an hour here pipes we are increasing so many. How many there? Here see a tank filled with water taken time 1.5 hour. So 1.5 hour, how many minutes? 90 minutes. Like 1 minute is 60, 1 hour 60 minutes, half an hour 30 minutes, totally 90 minutes. Next one, 90 minutes tank 90 minutes using pipes. So how many pipes? Pipes. 5 pipes. Now next one. Same tank filled with water taken time. How much? Half an hour. So let using pipes. Why? Yes, in 90 minutes, half an hour, how many minutes? 30 minutes. So why? Here see, 5 cross out to 90 equal to 30 cross out to y. 30 moving this side. 5 cross out to 90 by 30 equal to y. 31 jar, 33 jar. So 50 pipes. Y equal to 15 pipes. So here we are using another tank 15 pipes. So the tank filled with water taken time half an hour. See, 7th one, homework like a third problem asked is 15 workers can build a wall in 48 hours. How many workers required in 30 hours? Asked is third problem, 7th one. Homework, 7th one. 8th one, a school has 8 periods a day, each period 45 minutes during. How long would be each period became if the school has 6 periods? Now this is our school regular time. Yes. This is a full day and a half day in this situation. See, 7th problem, homework. 8th one, here see. A day school has how many periods? 8 periods. So each period how many minutes? 45 minutes. Now they are asking. So 8 5 45 are 8 5 are 40, 8 4 are 32. So 360 minutes. Now total taken time. Here asking 360 minutes means 6 hours. Here question asking 6 periods we are taking. Total 6 hours only, but each period how many minutes? 1 hour. That is answer. So that is we can do here from here see. Number of periods. How many periods? 8 periods total. See. Each period time 45 minutes. Next one, after increase time, increase each period time, let increase each period time. How much? Like a y. See, number of periods after increase time. How many periods? 6 periods. So 8 cross out 45 equal to y cross out 6. 6 moving this side. So 8 cross out 15 by 45 equal to y by 6. See, 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 3 1s are, 3 15s are, 15 4s are 60 minutes. Now each period, how many minutes taken time? 60 minutes. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So each period after increase each period time 60 minutes. Next one, Z various direct as x and inverse as y. find the percentage increased in Z due to an increased 12% of X and decrease of 20% of Y. See here question differently given. See here both one given. This is Y quantity, ninth one, sorry, Z quantity. This Z is a direct proportional to the Y. So Z is direct proportion to X, and Z is inverse proportion to Y. That is given asking. See here, now Z equal to X by Y. Y here see, Z is direct proportional, Z is Y is inverse proportional, X is direct proportional, Y is inverse proportional. Like it means here Z sigma X, Z sigma 1 by Y. So Z equal to X by Y. That is Z. But they are asking what? X is 12% increasing, Z is Y percentage 20% decreasing. So Z X how much percentage increasing? Normally how much percentage? Total 100% X. So they are increasing how much? Increasing how much? 12%. Total X is 112%. Now Y normally how much percentage? 100. Decreasing how much percentage? 20. So 112 by 80%. 180%. So here X percentage 112, Y percentage 80. They are asking what is the Z percentage? See here, find the percentage of increased in due and increased. Here see, now Z value, Z increase value, this is now here see, Z equal to X by Y, here Z equal to 112 X by 80% Y. So now Z final value here see, 112 by X cross out 80Y minus X by Y. Y here increasing or decreasing, real is a X by Y. Here see, LCM 112 XY by 80 Y minus 80 XY by 80 Y square here. Here see 32 like 112xy minus 80xy by 2, 80y square. Here 32xy by 80y square. So y square means 2y, 1y cancel, 32y by 80, 32x by 80y. So these all you know are, see here starting z value their direct proportional and inverse proportional. So x by y. Next x how much percentage increased? 12%. Total 112. Y how much percentage decreased? 20. So 80. So after increasing after z value 112% x, 80% of y. So final value z final value, see increase minus initial value, subtract 32 by 80. So here percentage, z percentage, right, that is. So remaining 10th 11th 2 problems are homework. This is the last one and the remaining 2 problems are homework. Here see next one. So z percentage, find the z percentage they are asking. So z percentage equal to, so after changing after 32x by 80y equal initial how much, x by y, cross out 100. Here see 32 by x by 80y, these ones moving to denominator, like this is a division, fraction means division. So numerator comes to the denominator, comes to the numerator, reverse. So y by x, cross out 100, y cancel, x cancel, 32 by 80 cross out 100, 0 cancel, 8 1 jar, 8 4 jar. So 40%. So z value final how much percentage? 40. So 9th and 10th problems homework, 10th and 11th problems. Okay, shall leave the class. Take care.